Creating a crypto account with Wealthsimple involves using Wealthsimple Crypto, which allows you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up for Wealthsimple. Visit the website or app. Go to the Wealthsimple website or download the Wealthsimple app. Create an account. Sign up by providing your email address, creating a password, and verifying your identity. You may need to provide personal information such as your name, address, social insurance number, and employment details. Enable Wealthsimple Crypto. Access crypto services. Once logged in, navigate to the crypto section within the Wealthsimple app or website. If you don't see this option, ensure your account is fully verified and you have access to Wealthsimple crypto services. Fund your account. Deposit funds. Link your bank account and transfer funds into your Wealthsimple account. This process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Make sure you deposit sufficient funds to purchase cryptocurrencies. Start trading. Explore cryptocurrencies. After funding your account, go to the crypto section to view available cryptocurrencies. Buy or sell crypto. You can now buy or sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum by selecting the desired asset and following the prompts to execute your trades. Monitor and manage. Track your investments. Use the app or website to monitor your crypto portfolio, review transaction history, and make adjustments as needed.